Hello, my name is Michael and I'm from the Forex Affiliate channel. And today I will be reviewing IQ Options Affiliate program. This broker supports speculations on CFDs such as Forex, cryptocurrencies and commodities, and also allows to its traders to trade binary options in certain countries. In this video, you will learn how to create a new IQ Options affiliate account, what is the difference between their lifetime revenue share program and between their CPA program. And after that, I will log in into my own affiliate account, thanks to which I've generated over 80,000 in commissions. And I will teach you how to create links, how to work with statistics and reports. And in the end of the video, I will also include some of my own tips on how to promote IQ option to get better results. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So to visit IQ Options affiliate program, you can either use the link down below in the description of the video, or you can type in your browser affiliate.iqoptions.com. Now you should be on this website and you can see that they have really good numbers. They have traders from 178 countries and they have 256 affiliates. So this is really huge affiliate program. And if you scroll down, you can see the main features of this program. And if you scroll even more, you can see the top performing affiliates and how much they earned in the past 30 days. And if you scroll down even more, you can see what payment methods they support for affiliates. So you can withdraw using Skrill, Bitcoin, or wire transfer, which I personally use. Now, in order to create a new IQ Options affiliate account, you can click in the top right corner on Join Now and type in your email address and your password. I will be just showing you quickly how to create it so you would know. There are not many obstacles, so you should read these because they basically inform you that you can spam to attract clients and provide false information or mislead your clients. So if you continue, you can see that they offer two programs. You have here both of which are lifetime revenue share programs. The first one is 50% for each trader. And this means basically if you have, I don't know, 10 traders that are really good and are successful, and then you have like 10 traders which perform poorly, you might not earn any commissions. And if these 10 traders are really good, and so the commissions that IQ Options paid out to you depend on if the traders are successful or not. And if you go for the 40% profit revenue, this is basically the commissions are basically calculated for each trader. So if one trader is really successful, okay, you will not receive any commissions from him. But if all these others are performing not that great, you will receive commissions for each of those traders, because in this program it is calculated based on each trader, not as with the 50% revenue share program. So I have this one because basically most people who trade are generally not that good and most of them lose money over time. This is just basic statistics of trading. So I have this program, but the second one is also very good. And I don't know, maybe even better. Depends on what type of traffic you have. So then you can fill in your information and proceed with the registration process. I will not do so because already do have an account, but I wanted to talk about how these two basically choices differ, because there, once you select them, it's hard to change them, if it's even possible, I don't know. So that's how they differ. Now I will log out and sign into my own account and show you my statistics, how to create link, etc. So I will hit on dashboard. This is the main basic page which you will see whenever you visit affiliate.iqoption.com. You have here in the top right corner your current balance, and that the next payment is on the 17th and 19th January. I think there are two payouts, or they pay out twice a month. Once at the beginning of the month, and the second payment is in the middle of the month. But yeah, I think so. My payments are paused at the moment because I use wire transfer, and I basically wait for some bigger amount to accumulate before I withdraw the money. Now you have here non-European balance and European balance. These two, basically, as the name explains itself, the non-European balance is for traders, is from traders that are outside European Union, and the European balance is for traders from the EU. To refer to clients from the EU, you need your website or your source of traffic approved by IQ Option, because there are some risk warnings that you need to have in place in the EU. So European balance is basically only when your website is approved by IQ Option. If you scroll down, you can see the general statistics, general stats, and it's the beginning of the month, so nothing much to see here at the moment. If you scroll down here on the website, you can see this is a really cool feature. And if I make a report from last year, you can see that on this very cool map from what countries you made commissions, and they are also named right below the map, so you can check out those. If you go to revenue statistics and hit on, I will show you from statistics from last year, and hit on apply. And then if you, for instance, click on profit, it will like be at the top, and you will see on what day you made the most profit, because it's grouped by day. And if you change from group by day to F-track, you can see what F-track made you the most commissions in the last year currently. So my F-track crypto home made the most commissions. This is basically F-track I use for crypto traffic. And if you hit on country here from group by and apply, again, select profit, and you can see that the commissions I made the most was from United Arab Emirates, and it seems it was just from one trader. So one trader made this amount, and so over 1,700. That's not bad. Unfortunately, the other traders were not that successful. So we can see basically in what IQ options is great or bad. It depends on what type of traffic you have. If you have really high quality traffic and your clients or traders trade a lot, you make huge sums. So if your traffic is good, you will see it in your statistics. And as I promised, I will show you how much I made. I think I started working with IQ option in 2017. So I will refresh my statistics, and this is how much I made over the course of now 4 years it has been. So I haven't been promoting IQ option this year as much as the previous years, especially when binary options were available in European Union. So So that's the reason why I don't have that great statistics from last year. But the most commissions I made from the Czech Republic and from the UK, and then followed by other countries. Apart from lifetime revenue share, IT option also have a CPA system which will rewards you for every FTDs. So I don't think it's as great as the revenue program because the CPAs are not that high, and the most you can earn for countries such as Hong Kong or Germany, and it's only 165 USD. While when you use the revenue system, you can earn hundreds or thousands. So it's kind of more about luck, but it's more exciting also, at least for me. And usually I have made some statistics, and I always made more than with the CPA system. If you go to promo and hit on web promo, you can create your links here. You can select campaign if you want for binary options, cryptocurrencies, and language. And if you have here all the landing pages you can use, you can have a look at them and then click on code. Here you select what model you want to work, whether on revenue model or on CPA model. If you want to work on the CPA model, you hit that, but I don't want that, so I will click on revenue back. And now type in here your extract and just copy the code and insert it on your website. They also have here banners, widgets, logos, registrations from form frames, etc., etc. So you can go through all of those. And if you go to payments, you can see these are all the payments that I requested from IQ option, and you can request them on here depending on how much you earned. And here are all the available payment methods. I have never experienced any troubles when withdrawing from the IQ option affiliate system, so I don't expect you to have any problems, but yeah, I don't. And I want to include also some tips on how to promote IQ option. And actually one tip also has IQ option affiliate system on their website. So if you go to support and click on tips on advertising, they have here countries that perform the best. So if you promote binary options, these perform the best in Brazil, Colombia, Mexico. So if you have Brazil for Brazil traffic, so for instance via a Portuguese website, or if you have Spanish website, they also perform very good when it comes to binary options. Binary options are not available in regulated countries, so not available in European Union. And regarding Forex perform the best also in Brazil, South Africa, and in regulated countries in Italy, Germany, and Romania. So from my experience, I've earned the most with IQ option when I was promoting binary options or digital options or any other options for that matter. So these perform the best, but unfortunately they are no longer available in the European Union. So that was a heavy blow. That was very unfortunate. So basically, Spanish or English speaking website or Portuguese speaking website is great for promoting binary options. So that is it for my IQ option affiliate program review. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking it on the YouTube platform. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.